Getting into prepping can feel overwhelming. With countless YouTube channels, forums, and books telling you what you need, it's easy to make costly mistakes that waste time, money, and energy. But don't worry, we've got you covered. After seeing thousands of new preppers fall into the same traps, we've compiled this guide to help you avoid the most common pitfalls. Let's dive in. The prepping world is full of cool gadgets that look amazing in videos but collect dust in real life. That tactical pen or solar-powered radio with 47 features? Ask yourself, will I actually use this? Start with the basics. Items you use daily that can serve double duty. A quality flashlight, first aid supplies, and extra food are far more valuable than a tactical shovel you've never touched. New preppers often think they need an arsenal to be prepared, but owning more than 4 primary firearms can create more problems than solutions. Focus on mastering the essentials: a 12-gauge shotgun, 5.56 AR-15, 9mm sidearm, and a 300 Win Mag bolt action. Train with what you have before expanding your collection. Proficiency and preparation go hand in hand. Gear is sexy, saving money isn't, but the most likely disaster you'll face is job loss, medical bills, or economic hardship. Build an emergency fund alongside your physical preps. Start with $1,000, then work toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Financial resilience is just as important as physical preparedness. Those buckets of 25-year shelf life meals seem perfect until you realize you've never actually eaten them. Buy what you eat and eat what you buy. Test different brands and build your food storage around meals your family actually enjoys. Prepping isn't just about stuff, it's about capabilities. If you can't walk a mile without getting winded, all the gear in the world won't help you. Start small with daily walks or basic exercises. Focus on functional fitness that helps in real situations, like carrying heavy loads or walking long distances. Food storage is important, but producing your own food provides long-term security. Start small with container gardening or a few raised beds. Even apartment dwellers can grow herbs and microgreens. Every little bit helps. Prepping isn't just for you, it's for your family. Create individual plans for each member, including pets. Consider ages, medical needs, and comfort items. Write down contact information, meeting places, and step-by-step procedures. Practice these plans regularly. The lone wolf mentality is a dangerous fantasy. Humans survive through cooperation. Build relationships with neighbors and like-minded people in your area. Join local groups, volunteer, and be someone others want to help when times get tough. When the world crumbles, survival isn't just a challenge. It's a brutal reckoning of who's prepared and who is not. This is survival. This is resilience. This is Suburban Prepper. Preparedness is a journey, not a destination. Start small, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you.